How to share a CapCut template on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and share any template directly from the app. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on Templates at the bottom of the screen to open the Templates section. From there, use the search bar at the top to look for a specific template or browse through the filters just below it, like Following, For You, Pro, Daily Life, Selfie, and more. At this point, scroll through the options and tap on the template you want to share to open it. In the next step, once the template is open, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Following this, a menu will appear with a few options. Go ahead and tap on Copy Link. Once done, the link will be copied to your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere you want, such as WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other app. Finally, whoever receives the link can tap on it and it will open the exact template directly in CapCut so they can use it straight away. And that's it. If this guide helped you share a CapCut template on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.